Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting exactly what you will change: a range, a column, or the whole sheet. Use Ctrl+A to grab everything quickly. Once done, make sure filters are off and no protected ranges prevent edits. You also need to decide whether you are removing background fill, font color, or conditional formatting colors, because each requires a slightly different tool. Now that selection and intent are clear, move to the Format and Fill tools. Follow the steps to remove colors systematically. Next, remove any direct formatting applied to those cells. Use Format, then clear formatting to strip fonts, sizes, bold, and fills applied directly. This is fast and reversible if you have an undo chain. If fills remain, open the Fill Color Paint bucket and choose Reset or None. For alternating bands, use Format Alternating Colors and set to None. For text color, open the text color picker and set to automatic or black. These steps eliminate manual formatting while preserving values and formulas. Finally, address colors from conditional formatting and automation. Open Format, Conditional Formatting, then inspect each rule affecting your selection, either delete the rule or change its style to no fill and default text. Once altered, make sure to click Done. Conditional styles override manual clears. If colors still persist, check for app script, add-ons, or cell notes that reapply styling. As a troubleshooting tip, duplicate the sheet and test on the copy, and verify protected ranges so you can safely finish without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.